Hello everyone, my name is Rudraksh and I'm going to present the stock pitch report of ERI program on Infosys. Starting with the disclaimer, the values calculated are my own and have no bearing or responsibility if they are wrong or misinterpreted. Starting with the introduction, Infosys, which was formerly known as the Infosys Technologies, is an Indian multinational provider of business consulting, information technology, that is IT, software engineering and outsourcing services. It was co-founded in 1981 by N.R. Narayan Murthy and a number of other people. Then it is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, and the third largest Indian-based IT services company by 2012 revenues. On 28 March 2013, its market cap was $30.8 billion, making it India's sixth largest publicly traded company. Talking about its operations, Infosys had 798 clients across 30 countries in 2013, and it majorly operates in North America, which accounts its share as 62%, and moreover in Europe also as 23%. Then if you talk about the sectors in which it serves, so there are numerous like manufacturing, banking and financial services, insurance, telecom, retail, energy and transportation. Then talking about the competitors of Infosys, there are basically 3 or 4 competitors majorly, which are Wipro, Tata Consultancy Services (TCS), and Satyam Computer Services. Then if we compare the data, so of top 10 companies of IT sector, so Infosys stands on number 2 position with 173,361.9 crores of market capitalization, and the current last stock price of Infosys was 3019. This is a bit of a financial snapshot as to how Infosys has fared out over the years. Then talking about the portage 5 forces, threat of substitutes is like medium. Then bargaining power of supplier is like high to low. There's not much of it. Then barriers to entry is low only, as there's low capital requirements, there's large value chain and space for some small enterprises. Then bargaining power of customers is very high, large number of IT companies is there, and huge decline in IT expenditure is there. Then the rivalry of course is very high because low cost is there, little differentiation in products is there, and of course there are only a few number of large companies, so the competition is really tough. Then talking about the SWOT analysis, basically strengths are like a wide spectrum of services and quality standards. Weaknesses are weak player in domestic market, then low R&D focus. Opportunities may include new geographies and acquisitions, high-end consulting, and if you talk about the threats, then it's like intense competition, as I told you, and currency fluctuations. Now macroeconomic trends, talking about the macroeconomic trends, the market is highly volatile and even small events are having a huge impact on Indian markets. So definitely IT sectors have no different story. They are also the volatility is having a huge impact on IT sector as well. And the key factor that is playing the importance in deciding the stock price of IT stock is the foreign exchange rate. If you talk about the subprime mortgage crisis, exactly opposite of this happened, and the rupee appreciated to levels of 35 to 40 per dollar, which dropped the revenues of IT companies. And if you ask me, then basically I will suggest you to stay away from IT stocks because the high volatility of the market, the appreciation of rupee against dollar, and the stability of it, and the liquidity easing policies instituted by the newly appointed governor. Lastly, and we all know that the forex rates are improving day by day, so I would suggest that at the current trading of Infosys at rupees 3353.50, I think you should refrain from IT sector and the take the safe option of sell. I would suggest you to sell it due to the low intrinsic value of around 2190. So that's it from my side. Thank you.